When Mr. Nicholas fell ill, I thought I would start capturing our artists. And so these are the three artists out of Denver. Got myself, Isaiah Nicholas, and Pen Cayetano. I did that actually with a camera running because I wanted to present time and how long it takes and describing what I do at the same time, which was kind of different for me. But I just I went at it, and I didn't think I would capture it like when I'm solemn, when I'm doing it late at night, when I'm painting late at night.
You did a great job.
Thank you, sir. Chatoué. This painting has gone, I've seen it on many Facebook pages and all over the internet. These are from different masks and so forth. I actually contacted this one guy from Honduras because he didn't even know who the artist was. He was, oh yeah, this is a painting, but someone asked, who's the artist, and he said he didn't know. So I contacted him and told him, hey, I painted that, and he eventually went ahead and put it on his page. But he's one of our heroes, one of the great GAHFU heroes. He died in battle. Nobody knows how he died and where he was buried and so forth. So it's kind of like mysterious, but he was a chief of chiefs, and he was also in the French army. He was a commander in the French army. So these guys were